the MW07 Plus. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Master Dynamic MW07 Plus. This is the new version of the MW07 True Wireless Earbuds. These are on the higher end spectrum for price and quality. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, a micro USB-C cable for charging, and a USB adapter. Various sizes of fit wings and ear tips. And a carrying pouch. The MW07 features 10 hours of listening time, 40 hours with the case. 15 minutes of charge will give you 5 hours, and it takes 40 minutes to fully charge the case and the earbuds. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, aptX SBC codec, button controls, has ANC and ambient listening, 10mm beryllium drivers, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. So compared to the previous version, you will now get longer battery life, Bluetooth 5.0, ANC and ambient listening, and a better IPX rating. The case has a premium feel to it. It has a stainless steel finish all around and has some good weight to it. It really feels solid, and you can see the Master Dynamic logo on the top of the lid. On the front, you have the status LED. And on the back, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid has a nice snap to it and it closes tight. Inside, you can see the branding on the front, and the earbuds are easy to grip and remove. The earbuds are similar in design to the previous version. They come in 4 available finishes. This is the black quartz. It has a durable handcrafted acetate finish and it looks very sharp. It also has a nice ergonomic shape to it. The left earbud features the volume, ANC, and ambient listening controls, microphone, LED, fit wings, proximity sensors, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. The right side has all the same features. The only difference is it has a multi-function button that will control playback, calls, and voice assistant. And here they are side by side. The controls are easy to activate, and as mentioned, these have ANC and also ambient listening so you can hear surrounding noise. To activate, it's just a matter of holding down the volume up or down button, and the voice prompt will confirm whether the specific feature has been turned on or off. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1.7 inches by 1. It weighs in at roughly 86 grams, and the earbuds come in at 17 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there is no replacement for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Crash down to the real world now.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Master Dynamic MW07 Plus microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked well during calls and the other parties had no issues hearing me. Pairing is also instantaneous. Testing video on an iOS device, I didn't experience any noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Master Dynamic MW07 Plus, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The earbuds were fairly comfortable. The fit wings do help in providing extra support, and it provided a nice overall seal. It's important to take time to get the correct tips so you get a good fit, and it had no issues staying to place while running. Build and quality is just superb. I like the stainless steel case and it feels very solid and durable. And the finish on the earbuds are unique and adds some style. This version is definitely a step up from the previous model as from the features I mentioned earlier. The button controls were responsive and easy to navigate. The earbuds do protrude out a bit, and the design is definitely different from your more traditional earbuds. One thing I don't like is the case attracts a lot of fingerprints, and it's prone to scratching easily. And it would have been nice if they integrated wireless charging. Now when it comes to sound, I feel that the earbuds really deliver. The bass is very tight and punchy. You won't get the overwhelming deep bass, but it's definitely enough. Mids and highs are clean and clear, and I felt that there is good separation across the board, and it has a wide soundstage. Vocals do stand out and it seems a bit forward, but not too bright sounding, and you may have picked up some of that detail in the samples. It's a very pleasant listening experience, and I felt that it was right on point. I would have liked to seen an app, especially at this price point, just to give users more flexibility in customization. The ANC feature worked okay. It's not to the level that an over-the-ear headphones would provide, but it does the job. And keep in mind to take time to use the correct tips or you will not get the proper seal and it won't function correctly. The ambient listening feature also worked with no issues and was able to pick up the surrounding sounds. Overall, I feel that these are exceptional earbuds with the design and sounds. They are definitely an improvement in features from the previous version. The price point is on the higher end, and the design may not be for everyone. But I feel that these are for the audiophiles and serious listeners out there, and those that are seeking a premium product. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.